heavy duty or standard.
And we're back. We're back.
Some of the parts here. Some of the stuff goes together correctly, some doesn't. Locking tabs.
He's organized the mess. Got rid of the nefarious parts.
I got a oily mess. Don't forget we do need this too. Where's that go?
Yeah, let me move over this way. So you
I have a compensator repair kit here.
compensated repair kit?
Yeah.
As in, it doesn't have a. There's no. It doesn't seem to have much compensating going on there, Tatro.
It's called solid.
Yeah.
That's my fix for compensators. Don't need them. There we go. Stretch all the.
So you're missing the link. Hang on. Got to go back to the bottom. There you go. You got it. Yep.
Good. Oh, the clutch is falling out, Fred.
Clutch is falling out. Do you want a hand?
I don't know.
No, you don't need a hand.
Can you clap? There you go. Good job.
Big hand.
Alright, that one's already going. This one won't go.
Tap it with a plastic hammer.
This is having a clearance issue in here.
Clarence, 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 Clarence.
What is it doing? I think it's just a matter of not going together because this isn't in there yet. I don't know why that won't go. Looks like the tree is too short. It is short. There it goes. That's tight. Oh, that's tight. There we go. Ah, it goes a lot better when it quits binding. All right, Fred, you like that?
Yeah. This thing get all dirty.
I got dirty.
You got dirty the last time you were out there.
Got dirty. It won't break a belt now.
No, it won't break a belt. Might break something else.
Yeah. Break a record?
No, I don't think so.
Yeah, I won't do
I think you're just out there to annoy people.
That'd take a miracle to break a record on this class.
You're just going out there to annoy people.
Well,
See if you can come up with another rule that they're going to make another rule for another Tatro rule.
they wouldn't do that, would they?
Um,
They would never make a special rule, would they?
I got it from Jill early on when I was out there. It's like,
Oh,
half the rules we got out here are Tatro rules.
are you insinuating something?
I don't think I'm insinuating something. I think
Statement of fact?
the fact that nobody can ride their bike back anymore, the fact that
That wasn't me.
it wasn't you.
No. No. I don't think so. It was a tow back,
Now that you're
but I wasn't finished one. Wink Eller's the one that did it.
okay.
Because the dumbass wrapped the rope around the handlebar,
Yeah.
and the guy drug his ass for
Oh,
half the track back.
at full speed, probably.
Didn't even know he was off the bike. He was stuck underneath the damn thing.
Oh no.
Tore him up a new asshole.
So that's why everybody has to load their bikes up.
Yeah. You can still push them though.
What? Push them for a mile and a half back?
Pushing a motorcycle is still legal because good for cars, good for bikes.
I like the one we
That's
saw.
really dangerous though, pushing.
Yeah, we saw one that it was one of the 200 plus. They made this device. It's like this big giant cage. And you just
Oh, that's for a streamliner.
a
Yeah.
streamliner. Yeah, they made a big giant cage. That was pretty cool.
Yep, goes around it, straps underneath, lifts up.
It's
roll it
just like a
out.
motorcycle. Yeah, they have a motorcycle engine in there, like That's pretty cool.
What's the factory torque?
About that much. You're going the wrong way.
Fred, what happened?
You're going the wrong way.
Am I tired?
Yeah.
Oh,
This is lefty lighting.
the
I
right
mean,
one.
tighty.
Does that hurt when you do that?
Yeah. That particular one's lefty, not lefty loosey, lefty tighty.
It seemed like that was tight for some reason. No, it works. Okay. A little tight back in here too.
I'm good about it.
Like my nut and my sprocket.
Pretty cool. Where'd you come up with that?
Bought it a while ago. Machine nut.
That's a proper torque there.
It's a heat treated nut, it ain't going anywhere. As long as it clears the cover. Might be a cover issue. Okay, clutch is releasing, Fred. Would you put all the plates on it? Will it make a difference?
Yeah, probably. Let's see what we got. Yeah, looking good from this angle.
How much torque we put on this new chain?
About that much.
Put enough on it to make a difference. More than that. How about this?
That'll work.
Is that enough length?
Yep.
Not gonna hit anything?
As I was saying earlier, before the power went out,
Problem with stove bowl is you gotta hold the damn thing engaged to tighten it.
that might spin a lot if you don't.
They do. Need it in the right spot.
Probably tighten it up a notch. Really? There you go. Now one more.
I want it loose.
You want it loose? Okay. That's your compensation?
It's gonna get looser though real quick because of the newness to it.
There you go.
That grease is a fake tightness. And it's got a new shoe on it.
New shoe. I
That'll
like them
probably,
shoes.
that'll probably loosen up pretty quickly. They're supposed to grow a little bit when they go hot also. I expect that's going to probably double after the first couple rides down the street. Okay, is that the factory torque? Is the clutch cable adjusted correctly?
Hey, there's a problem there with that plug.
With what? Problem with what? You put your lock tabs on. You know how you leave the lock tabs off?
What's that?
You know how to leave the lock tabs off?
No.
You stupid nuts unscrew.
Gotta have the lock tabs.
That was a problem for a while when they went out of business for 5 years. Now they can get them again. But luckily I bought a bunch of them before they went under.
What about
I bought out the suppliers.
1,000?
I bought out the suppliers full of them. I probably bought about 10 of them.
Oh.
Enough to do several bikes. Now if you Loctite them on, you know what happens?
No. They don't want it, they just share.
Then the screw inside gets loose.
Yeah.
And you
You just can't get them out.
Can't get it forward.
Do not use Loctite.
Problem. You know what else is a problem?
What?
I didn't put all the parts in there yet.
You might want to put that clutch in.
You might want to put this. This doesn't have the groove like that other one. It's kind of pain in the ass.
All right. So as I was saying, I've been dozed out back in March.
You got
So
dozy issues?
they got dozed me out.
You
So
got dozy issues?
they're paying me not to work.
You didn't work anyway.
Well, that's sort of that's mean but relevant. Don't say that to the guy that took over for me. He's like, "How did you get all this stuff done?" I was like, "Cause I was organized."
Carefully.
Yeah.
You still got all your work sitting there in the computer.
Yep. Oh, I had everything.
You still can't figure it out?
The good news for him was I had organized it so well that
He found it?
yeah. I even did videos like, this is how this works.
So he's gonna have like 2 years of free work.
Well,
He's gonna be a golden boy for 2 years.
no, he's not. They're already talking to him. It's like, dude, you're not keeping up.
Let's not keep it up already.
Keeping up. Why aren't you doing this? Why aren't you doing that? He's like, because I'm overworked.
Because Fred didn't tell me to do that.
No, you can't pull that.
Okay, how much torque you put on these? Those do not feel very good.
Yeah. The funny part was I was up in Ventura County, which is where my command is located.
Guess what?
That's not good.
That one's loose.
That's
Don't tighten that no more.
stripped.
It's spinning in the backside. Good thing I put no Loctite on that.
No. So so my command is up in
Fred, the clutch is a little loose over here.
the
Pre-adjustment was too much.
yeah, you might want to tighten that up a little bit.
I think I could go a lot more than that. Gee, it's not even moving yet. How far did you go up, Fred? Up, there it goes.
There you go. Tighten her up.
Oh, it's back to where it started.
Really?
Yeah,
No, you still got a lot of play left then.
because I got more clutches in there.
The so I've been off to
Let's see, how
out
do
of
we do
work
this?
since the 21st of March, but I go in and I said, hey, I'll be in the neighborhood. You want me to stop in and say hello? I go, yeah, come on in. I get to the building, they're gonna let me in. So I sit in his office, and
Your passcode didn't work?
my old boss was there.
That ain't the right one.
She comes walking in and she goes,
Oh, that is the right one.
are you enjoying your 7.5 month bonus? You know, my
I am.
vacation. And I looked at it, I was like, man, I said, you know what? It's pretty wild. I said, I keep having to count on my fingers all the months I got left. And right in front of her, I held up. I go, this was in August. Like, I still got a little bit of time in August. And I still got September, October, November, December, the end of and she just went, ah, and walked out of the room. It was too funny. I was like, yeah, I still got 4.5 months left, you know.